आज फिर आ गए हम अपनी नई वीडियो के साथ इंशाल्लाह। आज जो है हम ओ लेवल अकाउंट्स का 2020 का में जब ये 7707 बना था, पहले ये 7110 था अकाउंट्स, अब ये 7707 बन गया। तो इसका उन्होंने एक सैम्पल पेपर निकाला था। मैंने सोचा कि अपने सैम्पल पेपर पे एमसीक्यू जो है वो सॉल्व करता हूँ बच्चों के लिए। तो चलते हैं पेपर पे। Okay, class. So this is your sample paper. Let's see what is the purpose of bookkeeping. The purpose of bookkeeping is definitely to record all the financial transactions of the business. Finish. What are assets? Acha, now see, items that are bought for long-term use by business. This is definition of non-current asset. Okay, items are expected to be turned into cash in the future. This is definition of current assets. Now, this is not the answer here. Why this is not the answer? Because items are owned by but not owed by business. Now, see, this is the correct answer. Items are owned by or owed to a business because all these assets they have an owed to uh, from customers, from the owner or from the creditors. Okay. Now, semi-return goods bought on credit, how Javed definitely recorded sales returns. Okay. At the end of the financial year, there was a debit balance brought down on the office expenses account. In which section of the statement of financial will this be recorded? Expenses debit means they are current assets, prepaid. Right? Okay. Now move to next question. Question number 5. The following ledger account appeared in the book of ledger. This is a rent account, and when rent is debit and bank is credit, it means this is an expense account. Its closing balance CD on the debit side means balance brought down is on the debit credit side. It means it's rent payable outstanding. What is the trial balance? A list of balances, a list of balances of business books on a certain date. Simple. Which error will be revealed by preparation of trial balance? Now see, this is error of principal, this is error of original entry, this is error of omission. So it means only first error is left. A option is the answer, which is going to affect the trial balance. Oh, sorry, I missed out question number 7. Kareem issued an invoice, a credit note, and a receipt. It means Kareem sold goods on credit, received return from the customer, and received the balance due. The option is the answer. Number 7. A trader purchased a credit on credit for Apple amounted to $2,000. This purchase subject to a trade discount 10% and a cash discount 5% to be paid within 30 days. Okay. So in the purchase journal, we only by writing the purchase journal, we only deduct one discount, that is trade discount. 2,000 multiplied by 10% is 2,000 multiplied by 10% is 200. 1,800 is the answer. Okay. Which is part of double entry system? Cash book. Now come to 9. We have done 10. What about 11? Tracy runs clothing, so she sold a computer netbook by 2,000 for 1,800. Cash was received but no entry made in the account. What is the effect of correcting this error on the statement of financial position? Your current non-current asset is going to be decreased by 2,000 and your current asset is increased by 1,800. The answer must be the C option. Okay. Now move to question number 12. The bank business showed a bank overdraft of 1640. The 1640 should be taken as minus. Okay. Now uncredited deposit we have to deduct. Uncredited check, present checks we have to add. The answer is 1560. Cash book balance is it's 1640. Uncredited deposit we have to add. Unpresented checks we have to less. The answer is 70/20 credit. Now move to 13. What are sources of information for entries in control accounts? We take entries all the information for control account we take from book of prime entries. Book of prime entries means purchase journal. Purchase return journal, sales journal, sales return journal. Okay. A trader provides the following information. Okay. What is the purchase ledger control account balance 31st March? Very easy. Now see, opening balance is 4,000 plus purchases 53,000 minus purchase return 2,000 minus cash received 47,000 minus discount received 1,000. The answer is A, option 7. Not to worry about it. Okay. Now come to 15. Rayan bought a computer cost 800 and some ink cartridge cost 50 for use in the business. Both of these were debited to purchase account. Now, when we are debiting to purchase account, it means our cost of sales is increased by 850 and our expenses are decreased by only 50. Okay. Our expenses are only decreased by 50 because there's 800 has nothing to do with expenses and cost of sales. Getting my point here? Now, next question, 14, 15, 16. 16 is there. Which non-current asset is the revaluation method of division most appropriate? Those tools, definitely. I think that's 17. Ahmed depreciated his building at the rate of 2% per annum using straight line method. He bought a land for 2,000, cost 200 to build a. After 5 years, he sold a warehouse for 200,000. Okay. Now, 5 years, 120,000 multiplied by 2%. Multiplied by 5. 12,000. So, 120,000 minus 12,000, 108,000 plus 200,000 for the building minus 299,000. Answer is 9,000. How? See, keep the value of land separate. Building is 120,000. 2% depreciation for 5 years means 10% depreciation. It means 12,000. Minus 120,000 minus 12,000. The value of building is 108,000 plus value of land 200,000. It makes 308,000. But he sold for 299,000. It means his loss is 9,000. Got it? Okay. Why should accrued expenses be shown in the financial statement so that the total correct of total assets shown in the statement of financial position? So that the total income of the period match against the total cost of that period. Yes, B option is the answer. A trader sold goods to Zahid on credit. Zahid was unable to pay the amount owing and the balance account was written off. When we are writing off, Zahid is going to be credited, irrecovered by debts, credit expense or irrecoverable debts is going to be debited. This is the answer. Okay, now Sumit maintains a position for doubtful debts at 5% of the trade receivable at the end of each financial year. On 1st January 2016, the trade receivable amounted to 3,500 and the provision for doubtful debts was 175 at the start of the year. At the end of the year, income statement was debited with $15 for the provision for doubtful debts. So provision for doubtful debts was increased by 15. So it was 190. And 190 is 5%. So how much is the total receivable at the time when you are calculating $15 debited in income statement? It means you are increasing provision by 15%, by $15. So it is increased from 175 to 190. This is 5% of the trade receivable. Total 100% of the receivable is calculated multiplied by 100 divided by 95. So it means 190 multiplied by 100 divided by 5. Answer is 3,800. Yes. This is the answer. 20. Done. 21. Which group contains only trading business, motor part shop, petrol station, car dealership? Trading business means when you are selling goods. Which statement is correct? This one is correct. Why? Because sales revenue and cost of goods sold should be subtracted from the revenue to cut the gross profit. So in the gross profit, they are going to be added. Got it? Okay. How capital employees calculate owner's capital plus non-current liabilities? Simple. What should be entered in the appropriation account of partnership? Interest on partners? No. Partners right? No. Only this one. A option is the answer. Okay. Meena and Khan partner sharing profit is equally interest in capital account balance is around 5%. The capital account balances at the start of the year of Meena 10,000, Khan the profit for the year was 28,000. How much was created to Meena's current account? Yes. Okay. Now out of 28,000 profit, Meena will get 5%. 10,000 multiplied by 5%. 500 and 20,000 multiplied by 5%. 1,000. So 28,000 minus 1,500 is the interest on capital for both the parties. Now the left is 26,500 divided by 2. 13,250 plus 500. She got 13,750 should be the answer. Done. Now 26. ZEB Limited provided following information about the value of equity. When we are computing value of equity, this is not going to be included. Eventually, it's liability. Now answer is 200. Let's set it up for 245,000. So this is the answer. The issued share capital of DX Limited consists of ordinary shares, retained earnings of 45,000 plus settlement. The increase to 75,000 on August 31st, 2017. The company earned a profit for the year 80,000. Now, retained earnings at the start of the year 45,000 plus 80,000 is the profit minus closing balance of retained earnings 75,000. It means 50,000 is given as dividend. Simple. Acha. Okay, a club provided the following information for a year. Receipts 21,600, payments 20,000, depreciation charge for the year 1250. It means total revenues collected 21,600 minus 20,000. Why? Because there is no accruals, no prepayments. So total profit for the year is 1,600 minus 1,250 is depreciation. It means 350 is the profit. So if we deduct profit from accumulated fund 15,800, the answer is 15,450 accumulated fund at the start of the year. Okay. A club provided the following information at the end of the fine. Rent of premises paid in advance, outstanding subscription from members. Where this item will appear in the club, so both are current assets. Done. Okay, what about 30? Which is an indirect cost, factory rent. Okay. A trader provide the following. Okay. We have capital at start is given, capital at end is not given. So 75,000 current asset minus liability is 36,500. 38,500 is capital at start. Capital at end plus drawings 7,500 minus capital at start. The profit is 21,000. D option is the answer. A business has the following. A business provide the following information: revenue for the year, purchase for the gross profit. A percentage of cost. This is markup. When 25% markup, it means margin is 20%. Remember, this is the key. Whenever you are given a 25% markup in question, in any question, the margin is 20%. So sales is 1,89,000 multiplied by 20%. 37,800 B option is the answer. Okay. 33. Total rate of inventory to 10 times. The inventory first inventory was 800 and inventory on 31st December was 1,000. So first what we have to do, we have to calculate for the purchases, we need to know what is cost of sales. So cost of sales is very easy. What we do, we take out first average inventory. 1,800 divided by 2, 900. 900 multiplied by 10. Cost of sales is 9,000 minus, plus closing inventory 1,000 minus ending inventory 800. Total purchase is 9,200. C option is the answer. Done. Okay. Now 34. What is the going principle? Accounting records are prepared assuming the business will continue to operate in the foreseeable future. Nothing to worry about. Which objectives will be applied when financial information affects business decision relevance? Done. So this is the sample paper I did it for my students today, inshallah. Tomorrow we'll do the paper 2 of sample paper 2, inshallah. And we'll continue with A levels, AS, A2 in the same sequence. One MCQ for O levels, then O levels structured paper, A levels MCQs, A level AS structured paper, then A2 structured paper. It's probably the same sequence. So yeah, I'm ready for any kind of suggestions. So today, that's all for today. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.